So recently I saw lots of people commenting about my tutorial video, so today I will probably show you how to make a train on Roblox Studio. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here we are in Roblox Studio, so first things first, take out a part of an object. It should look like this. We actually wanted a cylinder part, so to do that, go to the bottom of the part button, then click cylinder. And this is what it should look like. After that, scale it until it looks like a wheel. Once you've done scaling the cylinder, duplicate it by doing right-click, and then click duplicate. As you can see, there's two parts on Explorer on your screen right. Then drag your duplicated part to the right or left. Then select all of them, and duplicate them again. The shortest way to duplicate is Ctrl Left plus D. Then select all of them by holding the left control button on your keyboard, and then left click. But before that, let's make a train motor first. Duplicate the middle wheel. And then go into Properties on your bottom right screen, scroll all the way down until you see Shape, right there. Then click Block, and it should look like this. Then go all the way up, and then change the color to black. And then scale it by holding the left control button on your keyboard, and then left click, and drag all the way to the right. And in the end, your model should look like this. Now pay attention to the next step, because there's a lot of people having problems with this part, so please pay attention. Okay, so, go to Toolbox, and then type Vehicle Seat 2. After that, click on the first one. Now as you can see, this person right here said that he can't see the attachment. To fix that, go to Model, and then go up your screen right corner. And over there you should see the Constraint Details button. Click that, and you should be able to see the attachment. Yes, right there. Then right-click the attachment, and click Copy. Then go back to your model, and click all of them, and then paste the attachments into your wheels. Do the same thing for all of them. Then, delete the wheels from Vehicle Seat 2. Then, individually group all of them by holding the left control on your keyboard, then G. After that, select all of them, and then drag into Vehicle Seat 2. Then, go to Align tool on your up screen, and do what I do on screen. If this yellow little thing shows up on the Vehicle Seat 2, unselect your train motor and click it again, and it should pop up on it. Then click Align. You can also delete the handle thing and rename your part to a handle. It'll still work. See, it works. It works just as usual. but it kinda feels like it's heavy, but that doesn't matter. What matters is that it's fully functional. For the side rods, I don't know how to do it, but maybe some YouTubers can help. Well, that's all for today's video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content. Okay, now bye.